A very good morning, my dear students. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Myself, Ritu Chandrol, your English teacher, I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, in the previous online class, we had learnt about things we are doing now, verbs. That is lesson number 8. Things we are doing now, verbs. So, let's have a quick revision, my dear children. Look at the pictures and read the sentence. Children, look at the picture and you have to read the sentence. My dear children, look at the first picture. The boy is reading a book. The girl is dancing. The children are playing. The baby is crying. The birds are flying. The stars are twinkling. So, my dear children, we had learned that we use an ing word with am, is, are to show that an action is going on now. So, from these examples, you can understood, my dear children. So, my dear children, let's continue with the book exercise. A1. Complete the following with the ing words given. Number 1. This is a postman. He is carrying many letters in his hand. Second one. He is ringing the doorbell. Third one. A little girl is opening the door. Fourth one. The postman is giving a letter to the little girl. Fifth one. The little girl is saying thank you. Sixth one. Now she is closing the door. Next one. B. Today is Sunday. What are the people in the picture doing? My dear children, look at these picture. What are the peoples are doing in the pictures? So, let's continue, my dear children. As you can see this, the girl is feeding the rabbit. The girl is feeding the rabbit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. As you can see this, the rabbit is eating a carrot. Third one, the baby is sleeping. Here you can see in the picture, my dear children, the baby is sleeping. Next one, the mother is pouring tea into cups. As you can see in the picture, the mother is pouring tea into cups. Next one, the girl is washing clothes. What the girl is doing here? The girl is washing clothes. Next one, the grandmother and the grandfather are watching TV. What the grandmother and grandfather is doing? They both are watching TV. Next one, the boy is watering the plants. As you can see, my dear children, what the boy is doing? The boy is watering the plants. Next one, see, there is something wrong with each of this picture. Find out. My dear children, look at this. These pictures. Look at these pictures, my dear children. Then you have to answer the questions. Number 1, the girl. What the girl is doing? The girl is flying. Second one, the monkey is reading. What the monkey is doing? The monkey is reading a book. Question number third, the cat is singing. What the cat is doing, children? The cat is singing. Question number fourth, the tree is walking. What the tree is doing? The tree is walking. Question number 5, the man is crawling. What the man is doing? The man is crawling. Next one. D. Answer the following. Question number 1. Look at this picture, my dear children. Is the boy sleeping? Question mark. No, he isn't sleeping. He is reading. What the boy is doing? He is reading. Question number 2. What the girl is doing, children? Look at this picture. What the girl is doing? She is dancing. Is the girl singing? No, she isn't singing. She is dancing. Question number 3. Look at this picture, my dear children. Is the dog running? Question mark. No, the dog isn't running. It is standing. It is standing. Look at the 4th picture, my dear children. Are the boys walking? Question mark. No, they aren't walking. They are swimming. What they are doing, children? They are swimming. Question number 5th. Is the boy walking? Question mark. No, he isn't walking. He is running. What he is doing? He is running. Question number 6. Are the men fighting? Question mark. No, they aren't fighting. They are shaking hands. What they are doing, children? They are shaking hands. Question number 7. Is the girl laughing? Question mark. No, she isn't laughing. She is eating. What she is doing, children? She is eating. Next one. Are the boys standing? Question mark. No, they aren't standing. They are playing. What they are doing, children? They are playing. Next one. F1. Complete the sentence with ing words. My dear children, first of all, you have to look at this picture carefully. Then you have to complete the sentence. The sun is shining. Here you can see, my dear children, the sun is shining. Some birds are flying in the air. As you can see, some birds are flying in the air. The children are playing in the park. What the children are doing, children? The children are playing in the parks. The boys are swinging on the swings. As you can see, the boys are swinging on the swing. An old man is walking with his dog. What the old man is doing? The old man is walking with his dogs. Two birds are sitting on a branch. As you can see in the picture that two birds are sitting on a branch. Next one, G. Look at the story strip. My dear children, you have to arrange this story in a serial number. As you can see, the story is mixed up. Put the sentence in the right order to make a story. As the story is mixed up and you have to put the sentence in right order to make a story. So, let's see, my dear children. 1. A hare and a tortoise run a race. Number 1. As you can see in the picture, tortoise and hare running a race. Second one, a hare is running very fast. As you can see in the picture, a hare is running very fast. Third one, the tortoise is walking slowly. The tortoise is walking very slowly. Next one, now the hare is sleeping under a tree. What the hare is doing? The hare is sleeping under a tree. Next one, but the tortoise is not sleeping. What the tortoise is doing? The tortoise is still walking, is not sleeping. It is still walking. Number 6. Number 7. Now it is at the winning line. Who is at the winning line? Tortoise. Tortoise is at the winning line. Number 8. The hare is very sad. Why he is sad? Because he lost the race. So, my dear children, from this you had learnt that a hare and a tortoise story is about that's why only a person who thinks calmly and is not overconfident himself win the race in every sphere of life. Thank you, my dear children.